Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Samsung Music from LS60D and I'm going to show how can you easily download SmartThings app on your iOS smartphone. Let's get started. To do this, we just have to open App Store and search for Smart Things, like you can see. As you can see, there's SmartThings Lifestyle. You have to click on it. By developer Samsung Electronics. Now we have to just click Get and wait a moment. Now we have to just install. And as you can see, our app is now installed. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.